If you want a smoother, cleaner surface finish without dust, this is how it's done. The AWB wet blasting cabinet delivers a consistent, high-quality finish using a mix of abrasive media, water and compressed air. Inside the machine, media and water are continuously mixed and pumped to the blast nozzle. Compressed air accelerates the mix, giving fast, even coverage across the component. The result? A smooth, uniform finish with minimal impact on the surface. Dust-free processing. Degreasing and blasting in one step, and no embedding of abrasive into the material. Ideal for cleaning, descaling, deburring, dye cleaning and surface preparations without affecting dimensions. Want to see it on your parts? Book a free trial today.